Welcome back to another Medtech Snapshot. Today we're joined by Sanjay, CEO of Innova Vascular. Sanjay, I'm looking forward to chatting today. So my question for you is, when you think about device companies, whether it's a startup or a commercialized organization, what are the key considerations that they need to think through, when they're looking for and qualifying an outsourced manufacturing partner for a project?
Travis, thank you for the question. Based on my experience on both sides, on having worked for large strategics as well as having done my own startups, I see that when people come up with an innovative concept, first thing they want to know is who can make it for me, and they want to find a partner. And they are dealt with a dilemma, essentially, that there are some they need it very quick turnaround because they are still iterating the product, and they're likely going to iterate it for 3 to 5 times before they freeze a design. Yep. Often it happens that the companies that have a very established manufacturing setup, it takes them a little longer time to do each iteration. And then companies that can give you quick iterations, that's where we must be cautionary, that we also want them to be able to produce down the road in the quantities that they would need. Right. So begin with the end in mind is my key message here to entrepreneurs. And look for partners that can give you a reasonable turnaround early on when you are pressed for time. You want that thing to work and show you everything that you want it to do very, very quickly, and that does take a few iterations. But then also don't miss the point that down the road, even your buyer would need this to be manufactured after regulatory clearance, etc., in large quantities. And these days, more and more so, entrepreneurs shouldn't think that that's a problem that my buyer is going to do, the scale up and manufacturing transfer, etc. More and more strategics are looking to purchase companies and products that they could actually just turn around and start selling. So that becomes a very, very important consideration that I'd like to pass on to everyone.